What is up, Poke Fam? It's your boy Poke Gold Hits, and today we've got Temporal Forces. I already opened up one, and the memory on my camera kind of died. So, I had to make a new one, new box. Let's go. Let's dig into this. We got everything set. Also, just look at that. Beautiful box. It's great to see a booster box again. So, without further ado, sharp blade. Let's dive right in. And how are you doing, Poke Fam? We are going to see what goodies we can get in this one this time. Alright. Just look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright. So, right side. Let's just get half of it out. Boom. Put that right there. Right underneath. And Poke Fam, let's get into this. Let's see, can we finally pull an SIR? That iron, something. Whichever one this is. Let's pull this one right here. Alrighty. Let's go. Oh, code card. Let's give that out. Hopefully, I mean, these code cards are pretty good. We got the boy Hunter, Pikachu. Not the fire energy. Gah, gah. I mean, y'all know what that's from. TCG. No. CTR. There we go. Here we go. Turtwig reverse. 2A. Oh, we got already some. Oh. Not what we want. But first hit, hey. Not what we wanted. But I know, and I heard, and I've seen, Lucky Tap, that these packs, where this set is harder to pull any SIRs. So, let's see. Ooh. Let's go. Come on. Lucky Tap. Rubbing. Full. Ooh. 2A. Reboot pod. Okay. Okay, we got that nice one. Do that turd. Worm turd. Yeah. So, let's look at that. Beautiful. Let's get this over here. It's been quite, I think, what, like 5 months since, or 6 months maybe, since they came out with a booster box. Lucky Tap. So, it's good to have these back. Boom. Fire. Let's go. Let's go. Mural. Wait. Why is this a psychic? I thought it was supposed to be water. They're changing everything now. Here we go. Drampa, you old dragon. I was gonna say some stuff, but Koraidon Hollow. Okay. Okay. Last box we had, I think it was like 14 hits. So the hits are pretty good. Boom. Code card. Let's go. Electric. Let's go. That mime better not have messed us up, but that Golurk. That's a nice design. Shaman. Come on. Let's get that Lucky Tap. That's a nice shift tree right there. Look at that design. Oof. card's like, what, $3? But look at that. His eyes, golden. Oh, let's see also. There's some nice gold cards, too. So let's see. 3 hits already. And that's our 5th pack in. Code card. Let's go. But let's get that energy. Grass energy. Oh, okay, you know, sheesh. Snom. Oh, I don't like that Pokemon. Okay, here we go. Okay, that's a reverse, I guess. Boom. Okay. Okay. Iron Leaves EX. Full art. Future. Beautiful. Beautiful. We might, I feel like we might just get an SIR. So, stay tuned for that. Hopefully, we pull that. Boom. Code. Nice. Let's go. Oops. Okay, here we go. Bronzer. Okay. Cool Trainer Ryan. He's an OG. Metal. Did not know they had that Pokemon back in here. First time seeing that Pokemon was in Pokemon Go. And I'm glad that said had got to go. Rockruff. Beautiful. Come on. Let's go. Litten, Shroomish, Lickitung. That long name. Okay. Ooh, I think I see something. Just, yeah, peeking right there. There's something right there, y'all. I'm not gonna even show that card. I don't know why they have that card, but yeah. Let's go. I don't feel like, doing that Patrick right now with this. Rock Collie. Pokecuz TCG. I know you love this card. Great. This is starting off very good. Which side do you think is going to win? The left side or the right side? And if we get to 500 subs, I'll send whatever I pull. From the other set that I got, I'll send it all. All 14 hits that I got. And they were pretty decent hits. Ugh, what is that? Okay. Man, I guess I got to sleeve this. So we got 6 hits already. The left side on the first one did good. So we'll see. Maybe it's that luck. What is this one? Sharpedo. Okay. Ooh, I think we got something. No. I just got juked. That was it. Psychic. Okay. Okay, man. Halfway done with the left side. Come on. Let's pull SIR in this set. Electabuzz. Come on. Draft. Rosalia. Okay. we're getting, I guess. Boo. Oh. You know, I thought it was a hit. I thought it was a hit. But, no, got juked. So, I'll do it a different way. Give the code. Oh, okay, we got fire. So then, let's see. Oh, that way didn't work, but glad it didn't work because there was no fire pull. Oh, and in this set also, you get 2 of the pink cards or something like that. Okay, let me just try to make sure I don't see anything, and I kind of ruined this again. Oh, wow, this is terrible. Wait, there we go. Boom, boom. Great energy, right? Code card. Okay. I feel it in this pack. For some reason, I just have a feeling it's in this pack. So we'll just cut half of... Was that the hollow? Nope, that was just a reverse. Nope, that was it. Wow. PokeCuz makes it look pretty easy how he does that. Just slices the cards. Okay. This could be a good sign. I mean, probably the big hits are on the right side. Haha. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. I did it good this time. I did it good. 2-8. Believe it or not, this card's like $10. Believe it or not. How would I know? Same card I pulled. Same card. So yeah, these this set is harder to definitely get an SIR. There we go. Garbage. Boom, y'all. We got it. We got the hit. We got it. We didn't get anything. Just an old man Drampa just not caring anymore. Okay, here we go. Let's go. Let's go. I just saw gold. We've got gold. Lucky tap. Finally, we pulled a gold card. Let's go. Let's see what we got. Let's just give that code card out. Oh, there we go. Back card. Fire. Of course, it had to be fire. Miraidon. 2A. Iron Leaves. Gold. Beautiful. It's kind of weird that it's exactly the same as just the full art one. But, super nice. So, left side, kicking it pretty good. Okay. Last pack magic on the left side. Let's see. I want to see in the comments too, like, which side y'all think was better, left or right. Boom. Code card. I was about to pull the back. I was like, so used to the other sets. Okay, Roselia. Come on. Come. Gift tree. Boom. To a fish. Yeah. Alright, y'all. It is time for the right side. Oh, wow. Grab exactly half. Let's just, let's fix this. So, in total, we got 8 hits. Okay. Oh, wrong way. Here we go. Here we go. Code card. Boom. Let's get this. Psychic. Okay. C dot. Totodile. Skater boy. Ooh. Chatot. That is nice. Okay. Very nice. Look at that. Just, you know, relaxing, flying around. Okay. First hit. It's like some marking on the pack. Hopefully it didn't do anything to the cards. Let's go. Right in it. Yeah, I had a feeling this one was not going to have anything. But hey, gotta trust your feeling. Trust your guts. Do all of these have crimp linings or crimp? I don't know how you pronounce that. Boom. Let's go. Let's go. Feel like I see something. Feel like I see something, all right. I see my money flying away. Code card. Okay, I guess we'll sleeve this one. Do I want to? No. But a hit's a hit. So great. Okay, pack wants to fall. Let's go. Get that Pokey Luck tap. Let's go. Boom. Melmetal. Yeah. Amazing. Yeah, we'll just keep going. Keep going. And here is the other pink card. We'll see. There's that one with the gun one. That's a Master Ball. Ooh. That looks good. Okay. Code card. Master Ball. Okay. 3 hits. Not bad. Not bad. About to be halfway done with the first batch. Let's go. Let's go. Just go right into it. Skater boy. Fire. No, there was no fire. There was no fire pull. Let's go. You did just see that, right? I didn't put any force into that, and that just really... Oh, wow, look at that. That card is... Damn. Well, whatever card it is... Gah. Really? It had to be a Gengar. With a crimp lining? Well, Pokefam. That's pretty sick. That looks good. That looks good. Code card. Wow. That's definitely something unique. Thank you. I mean, you know, you have one job, but you might have made that card go up in price. Thank you. Gengar. And also that Hunter art rare, I guess it's called, is like, it's up there in price. I got $60 or something like that. Roaring Moon. There is no moon to be roaring at right now. But okay. Let's just go right through it. Boom, boom. Of course. It's always that Pokemon. Always that one. Now, we've got half left. So, let's see. I think I see something. I think I see something. Hoot hoot. I said I think we see something, right? And we've got the cutie fly. I mean, okay, I guess it is a nice one, but it's not my cup of tea. Okay. Let's go right through it. Yep, that's right. Because, oh no, don't tell me. Do not tell me it's that iron. I guess we'll just leave that one after. Nah, it's going to bother me. I'm going to have to sleeve it now. So, I hope that's not all the hits. Come on. I think it might be actually all the hits we have left right there. Yep. Whew. Let's see. Maybe this one has more than 14 hits. Who knows? Not. Definitely not more than 14. I can tell you that. That's a nice Pikachu. Drampa. Fire. Come on. There we go. It is time. It is time to stay alive. Because we got nothing. We got nothing. So, I think it is only 14 hits and we got 5 packs left. 4 packs left. My math's off. Also, happy Easter, everybody. Happy Easter. Yep, I knew it. Those were the hits. The last hits right there. Okay. Pretty good, though. Pretty good, not gonna lie. That Gengar kind of made it happen good. So, oh, maybe not. Hey, Cool Trainer Ryan, this is my second box and I already pulled this. You went through 26 boxes and more, and what happened, man? There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Second to last hit. Beautiful. Okay. 15 hits, I guess, in this one. Guess they're all different. Got that luck. I got that pokey luck. Ooh. Definitely more hits. Because Crydon EX. Okay. Oh. Whoops. Oh, wow, that was a brain fart. I'll put that one right there. What makes it weird is that if that's the last one, that's all the sleeves that I picked out. It was exactly the amount that came out. But we'll see right here. Yeah, that was it. That was it. Okay. To that old fossil fish. Boom. And last sleeve. Okay. Wow. So, y'all, what y'all think? I think the right side definitely killed it. Definitely killed it. Big Gengar. That Crimp. I don't even know. Whatever it's called. Air. That's super nice. On a Gengar, too. Super good. And Bianca's Devotion. CTR, man. Sorry. We got those gold as well. Full art. Look at this. I mean, can't complain. This hit was pretty good. So, PokeFam, thank you for watching. If we hit 500 subscribers, all these that I got from the last hit go to one lucky subscriber. So, thank you. And as always, PokeFam, have a great day.